Welcome back to the channel. Kdenlive 24.12 is finally here, bringing significant improvements in stability, usability, and features to one of the best open-source video editors. This release focuses primarily on bug fixes. Issues with audio capture, high-resolution rendering, and subtitles have been resolved. Proxy workflows, rotoscoping, and project management have also been refined, eliminating lag and improving compatibility. One of the most exciting updates is full support for ASS subtitles, an advanced format that allows highly customizable styling, including fonts, colors, shadows, and even animations like scrolling text. Additionally, the new Subtitle Manager offers complete control over files, layers, styles, and information, making subtitle editing more powerful than ever. But there's more. Kdenlive 24.12 introduces new built-in effects like transform and flip for videos and volume for audio, all easily adjustable through a redesigned interface. New color correction effects such as HSL primaries and HSL range have also been added, alongside GPS effects to display data like distance, altitude, and speed. Another key highlight is the improved speech-to-text functionality, now offering a smoother and more reliable experience with optimized threading and GPU support. Under the hood, Kdenlive now requires Qt 6 and brings significant optimizations for memory and threading management, boosting overall performance. With this release, Kdenlive reaffirms itself as a leader in open-source video editing. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the perfect time to explore all its new capabilities. Thanks for watching.